got some new jewelry.
Hey, John. What's he doing?
Upset. Some of his girls are in there and can't get out.
He's upset. That's because John's been catching all the birds. Why are we catching birds, John?
You sure you want to be in here?
Yes, I won't be in here for right now. Because I'm going to hook this camera up here.
Ah, Chuck!
You getting him? He's going to be hard to get. I know, the hens will calm down if you get him. He's back there at the corner. All right, you got him. Can you hold two? There you go. Maybe I should have done that the whole time.
So what we're doing is catching birds to be NPIP tested. So that's happening off screen because we had to set the camera here. Last bird, and then we'll let them all back out. So they're not being hurt or anything. They just don't like being captured. Got some new jewelry.
As you heard John say, they all just got some new jewelry. They've all been banded, have their own numbers, and documented. Now all we have to do is send this paperwork in and get them certified.
Watch out. I'm trying to shut this up before they escape.
They going to escape?
They may. They were upset.
Yes.
Yes.
So we have, what all we do today? There's all the quail have been done.
All the quail have been done, which was a chore.
And the chickens.
So altogether, 300 birds.
300 birds were
Total.
tested on farm today.
So, yes, I think it's time to either change cages or go to the yard sale that's up the
I
road.
think we're going to go to the yard sale that's up the road.
Everybody's been stopping, so
All right.
make it the yard sale.
We'll see you later.
See ya.